Hello children, how are you all? Children, I am back with a new activity for you. Today I will teach you about the activity of art and craft. The name of the activity is frog making. Let's begin. Let's begin the activity of frog making. This I have made for you. This is jumping frog. I will guide you how to make this. Okay student, for making this we need some material. I'll just show you. Children, we need some origami sheets. We need green color sheet, red color, and we need scrap sheet of yellow color or any other color. If you have different color, you can use it. You need sketch pen and small piece of white paper for eyes, or you can use these kind of googly eyes. Okay students, I have these kind of googly eyes also. It is available in the stationery shop, or you can use white paper and then small piece of black paper, or you can make the eyes with this sketch pen also. Okay students, and we need one round thing to make a circle. I am using CD and small cap of bottle, and we need scissor. This scissor you will not use it. You can take help of your mother, and one scale Fevicol. That's it. Now we will start the activity. Let me sheet and make a big circle. Now we will take one more sheet of origami sheet and make a small circle. I am using this box for making a circle. Now we will cut these circles, and one more we will make two small circles also for eyes. You can use bottle caps also. Okay, now we will cut these 4 circles. Children, see, I have cut these circles, one big and one small, and these are smallest, and one white sheet, and I have colored with black sketch pen, and one smile of red color. Now we will start the activity, and you have to take one scrap sheet and take the help of scale, and you have to cut 3 centimeter strip. We need 2 strips. Now we will cut it. Children, I have taken 2 strips of yellow color. Now we'll make it like, first we have to take 2 corners. Just fold it one side this. Fold it, and we will paste Fevicol on it. And on the second corner also. See, we'll make one small circle and make some lines on it. We will apply one Fevicol. And Fevicol. Okay. Now we'll take small circle and apply their eyes. You can use this paper or googly eyes also. Same side. Now we'll make the eyes. Just fold it and we'll apply some Fevicol on it and paste it on the top. See, students, our jumping frog is ready. Now we will paste their legs. For this we need green origami sheet and I'll draw it. We need 4 legs. I have made the legs of frog. Applying little bit Fevicol on it. One this side. See, you're jumping. Children, now you make this lovely frog and send me the picture of it. Okay? Till the time I'll come again.